Hey, Gabe.
Hey.
Today we're going to talk about one of the perks to having a home base and the fun and exciting upgrades that you can do to make your home base feel exciting and special. Welcome back as we turn our sad and empty lot into a tropical paradise. I'm Tonya.
And I'm Gabe.
And together we're Breaking Home Base RV. After spending our first 6 months of full-time RV living at our Fort Myers RV resort, we realized our first summer at home base would likely be miserable without some sort of well-needed shade. High humidity and afternoon showers along with temps in the 80s to upper 90s would drive us indoors most of the day. With several months at home base in the summer, we knew our bare lot would need more help than just a sun umbrella. We love the tropical feel of all the Tiki Huts in our park. We spent our evenings walking the resort and checking out different sizes and dimensions before we decided, yes, we are going to build a Tiki Hut of our own. Now, we purchased a lot in an RV resort with a homeowners association. The association has rules and standards to keep a cohesive aesthetic. State and county regulations guide our HOA architectural committee with plans and options for all the lot owners. We got all excited and busy building our plans, and to complete the project, we knew we would need vendors that are knowledgeable about both the resort rules and local permitting. Luckily, our resort was built in phases and we were in the final phase, so we had plenty of proven and quality vendors to choose from. The crews came in and moved about like a well-oiled machine. The only thing we really had to do was just get out of their way. Whether you're moving your rig to get fuel, get an oil change, have maintenance, you need to go through all of the road day procedures. We only had to move down a few lots for all of our initial construction. Forgotten protocol can result in big problems and safety issues. It was already June by the time palm fronds were put on the tiki. A tiki with good fans and dense thatch can decrease the temperature by as much as 20 degrees. As the hot weather rolled in, we needed to remember summer safety for our pets. Our dogs Cammy and Cruz are very active. High summer temperatures and bright days can mean dehydration and overheating and scorched paws. RV pet owners should be aware of the signs of overheating. We look for panting, increased heart rate, and weakness. Having a shady place to bring my dogs was another pro for building a structured shelter. Extending our pavers and moving water and sewer will give us the option for more living space and a shed with amenities. Despite sweltering heat and torrential afternoon rains, our work crews were friendly and hardworking. Another tip for lot owners who contract work, don't forget to provide ice-cold drinking water and maybe even lunch. Our tiki crew came all the way from Miami and really appreciated an unexpected meal. Sure, a tiki looks great, fun, and it provides shelter and shade. There are some extensive considerations when you install a tiki on an RV lot. In our area, we have to follow fairly strict guidelines and rules set forth by the state, county, and city. We plan on putting in fans with electrical, and we do have our tiki plumbed for water just in case we want to add a kitchen someday. We needed permits for all the construction, permits for the electrical. Zoning and planning dictates our setback rules, fire retardant, and hurricane straps for the roof. Florida's humid climate and hurricanes increases the chance of damage to the Tiki Hut thatch. This is something that we can't avoid, but we can take preventative measures with an approaching storm. If you want to know more about storm preparation while you're on the road in an RV, check out my video on surviving Hurricane Elsa. I go over some safety tips and the evacuation process. Tiki thatch lasts about 5 to 7 years, and then you're responsible to replace it. Of course, Florida's bugs are notorious, so tikis need pest control too. You have to keep in mind that while you're out on the road traveling the country in your RV, someone needs to keep an eye on your property as needed. Despite everything that we went through to get our tiki, move the lines, and add pavers, it was a really positive investment in our home-based property. Now, you may have a roll-up outdoor rug and a couple of lawn chairs, or a portable gazebo, or even a tropical tiki like ours. You want to keep in mind that having an outdoor space that you can relax and enjoy nature and entertain family and friends contributes to the well-being of you and your family. The RV life can be really stressful. You want to create environments that'll boost your mental and physical well-being as you and your family live the best adventures of your life.
Again, we want to thank you for joining us today. If you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the road.